In today's video, we're going to review Vegamour's GRO Revitalizing Shampoo, a product that promises to help with hair growth and overall hair health. I've been using this shampoo for a few weeks now, and I'm excited to share my experience. First off, the shampoo comes in a sleek, modern bottle with a pump dispenser, which is convenient and hygienic. The texture of the shampoo is smooth, and it lathers well, leaving a light, pleasant scent behind. When it comes to the ingredients, Vegamour's formula is plant-based, which is a plus for anyone who prefers vegan and cruelty-free products. The shampoo contains ingredients like mung bean extract, curcumin, and other plant-based compounds that claim to support hair growth by improving scalp health and boosting hair follicles. I was skeptical at first about whether this would actually work, but I've been impressed by how gentle the shampoo is on my scalp and hair. After several uses, I noticed that my hair felt softer and looked shinier, which was a good sign. I didn't expect dramatic results right away, but over time, I started noticing less hair shedding, and my scalp felt healthier. The shampoo definitely helped with creating a cleaner scalp environment, which is important for hair growth. One of the things I really appreciate about this product is that it's sulfate-free, so it doesn't strip the hair of its natural oils. I tried a lot of shampoos in the past that left my hair feeling dry and brittle, but Vegamour's GRO Revitalizing Shampoo maintained the moisture and softness of my hair. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, Vegamour's GRO Revitalizing Shampoo is a solid choice for anyone looking to support hair growth in a natural, gentle way. While it may not work miracles overnight, consistent use has helped my hair become healthier, shinier, and thicker looking. If you're dealing with hair thinning, or just looking for a nourishing shampoo that supports hair growth, this could be worth trying. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of products like these. Also, drop a comment below if you've used Vegamour's products and want to share your experience. Thanks for watching.